Mayday, mayday, emergency, emergency. How y'all doing out there? We're heading down the old 7-7, and yeah, I heard on the international radio that there's possibly a truck on fire somewhere on this road. We were heading this way to pick up Keaton's Chromebook and take it back to his school because he's changing schools again. They won't release his records until we return all their stuff. And his Chromebook's over at the Caldwell house. We're gonna have to go get it. But on the way, we may meet up with another emergency or a disaster. So yeah, I see something. I see some smoke. It's white. That means it's going out. They're pulling it out. Sorry about the crack in my windshield. The truck did that to me. It's the other side. Yeah, other side of the highway, thank goodness. They've got the highway completely shut down. It's in his trailer. He's detached it. Whatever it is, the whole thing. The whole thing. Look like it's pretty much 100% destroyed. Hope you guys got to see that. I was going 70 mile an hour past it, so don't know how good that came out. Just show you some traffic backed up here. Oh my land sakes alive. Don't know what the deal is on what caused it to catch on fire. Probably some Samsung batteries or something. Uh-oh. There's the authority. Backed up clear to Guernsey County. It's about 2 miles of traffic backed up so far. Oh boy. Well, anyways, you heard it here first on the Buckeye Boys news channel. So, hope you are all having a good day. I'm busy today, so I gotta get going. We'll talk to y'all later. Over and out.